Hello friends, so today I'm going to talk about a new device which I purchased recently. So the device is a wireless mouse, so I'm just going to show you that. Okay, so this is how the device looks like. It's very simple. Okay, and let's talk about the product. See, the product is known as Dezful and the mouse is DCM500. So it's a wireless mouse. So you have two ways of connecting to this particular mouse. So I'll quickly show you that as well. So this is how the packaging looks like. Okay, the box. And then let's take a look at what all came in with this particular device or the product. So you have this wireless this particular wired charging cable, and this is how it looks like. It's a C cable, right? So as you can see here, it's a C cable. And then if I have to show you further, so this is the mouse, and let me just show you the functionality. So you have certain options here, or the buttons down here. So there is like the Bluetooth option, as you can see here, and then the dongle or the Wi-Fi card, whatever you call it. It's basically a 2.4 gigahertz connector. So the device, this is how it works. Okay, so let me just turn this on. So I'm going to firstly show you the Bluetooth, how you connect and how you use it. So you just slide this down here. Okay, and as I see, you see a light blinking over here, the green light, which indicates that it is going to get connected through the Bluetooth, right? And on the system here, so when I did that, you see a prompt here. Okay, a new BTS mouse found. To pair your mouse, select connect. So all you have to do is you go to your trackpad on your laptop or device and then say connect. Okay, so once it's selected, so it is showing connecting, right? So as you can rightly see, and now it says it's connected successfully. So the mouse is connected successfully. I'll just show you by sliding the cursor here. See, I'm just moving the cursor around and you can see that it is connected through the mouse. Yeah, okay. Now I'll just show you some other functionality as well. Before that, yeah, let me just show you the card, how it works. So I just plugged in this card. I'm not sure if you can take a look at this. I'm just going to unplug this card. Okay, I'm just trying to remove this. It's pretty tight. Okay, so here we go. This is the one. Okay, the card. And how it works is you just have to keep it over here. So once you can just fix it here, you just need to push it and it just gets fixed here. It's like you just mount it there, and then you just remove that, and then once again I'll just show you how it works once you connect your uh, it to your laptop or device. Okay, so I'm just plugging it in, so you hear the notification sound here. Okay, and now what I'll do here is just to show that now it was connected via Bluetooth, as I had initially showed you that. Now I'm going to use this particular device to connect. Okay, so I'll just slide this up all the way. If you say in between, it is going to get turned off, so the mouse is not functioning at all, it's turned off. Now I'm going to slide this up all the way up, so it is going to connect through this 2.4 gigahertz dongle or this particular card. Okay, so you can see this red lights coming up over there. And then let me just show you the functionality. See, it is connected, right? So you don't have any problems as such. It is got connected right now. All right, so finally I'm just going to show you how this works. See, the right click is not sure if you can see this. Yeah, so the right click here. Okay, uh, okay, you know what, yeah, so the right click is going to show you the options and everything else. And let's open a page and then show you. Yeah, so here you go. Okay, so yeah, you have all the options which is coming up here. Okay, and then let's say, see, yeah, it works fine, everything's connected, and you can see this blue color indicator on the cursor after you move the cursor, which shows that it is working fine. Yeah, so that's all about this particular mouse. So it's good to go. So before I finish this video, I just want to ask you to please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and keep enjoying. Thank you.